For the procurement of goods, we under PR number 2024-75-055 is procurement of IT equipment for use in customer satisfaction service application, procurement unit, maintenance section, quality assurance section, DPWH to President of Court, DO, Bago City, Negros Central. The approved budget selling for this procurement is 545,000 pesos. So let's start for the procurement procedures for contract item number 24GN004. So under 24GN004, we have 4 participating leaders. We have two-dimension construction. Number 2 is basically now construction. Number 3 is construction corporation. And number 4 is really construction and supply incorporated. Or really construction and supply. So for the contract profile processing resource, we have political aspects, two-dimensional construction using the law, is construction corporation, and the construction and supply incorporated facility requirements, and for the technical and financial aspects. Also, all bidders also pass the requirements. So let us now proceed with the opening of bids. And request the members of the facility target to assist the bidding documents.
Construction for bid security declaration is present the design notarized with prices.
For light construction and supply incorporated, bid security is in the form of bid security declaration, you design, notarize, and visualize seal.
For bid construction operation, bid security declaration, present notarized seal.
For recently, the construction of this regulation is described for the president, we sign it already with registry.
For the project requirements, we have the organizational chart for the contract rule.
For two-dimensional construction, producer for the contract is present and duly signed.
For Relight Construction and Supply Incorporated, organizational chart of the contract, present and duly signed.
For base construction, organizational chart present.
For the Santa Tigla Construction Organizational Chart is present and duly signed.
Next is the list of contractors, key personnel to be assigned to the contract.
For two-dimensional construction, this contractor key personnel to be assigned to the contract is present and duly signed. Okay.
Okay, for Relight Construction and Supply Incorporated, list contractors, key personnel to be assigned to the contract, present with their qualification data attached, duly signed in every page.
For base construction, corporation, this is contractors, key personnel present.
For Santa Tigla Construction, list of contractors, key personnel with their complete qualification data is present and duly signed in every page.
Next is the list of contractors, major equipment units owned, leased under purchase agreements.
For two-dimensional construction, this of contractor major equipment units owned is present and duly signed in every page.
Okay, for Relight Construction and Supply Incorporated, list of contractors, major equipment units on lease under purchase agreements, present, duly signed in every page.
For base construction corporation, this is contractors, major equipment units owned and leased for under purchase, present and duly signed in every page.
For Santa Tigla Construction, list of contractors, major equipment units owned, leased or under purchase, pledged to the contract is present and duly signed in every page.
Next, omnibus sworn statement in the form prescribed by GPPG.
For two-dimensional construction, omnibus form statement is present, duly signed with the rights with rights set.
For Relight Construction and Supply Incorporated, omnibus form statement in the form prescribed by GPPB, present, duly signed, notarized with rights seal.
For base construction corporation, omnibus form statement present in the form described by PPP, notarized by Roberto Cantago Jr. of the Sama City with writing.
For Santa Tigla Construction, omnibus one statement in the form described by TTB is present to be signed under rights with rights.
Overall rating for the technical proposal.
For two-dimensional construction, technical proposal passed.
For Relight Construction and Supply Incorporated, technical proposal passed.
For base construction corporation, technical proposal.
For Santa Tigla Construction, technical proposal passed.
Just now proceed with the financial proposal. Bid form.
For two-dimensional construction, bid form is present and duly signed.
For Relight Construction and Supply Incorporated, bid form, present and duly signed.
For base construction corporation, bid form present and duly signed.
For the Santa Tigla Construction, bid form is present and duly signed.
Next, bid prices in the bill of quantities.
For two-dimensional construction, bid prices in the bill of quantities is present and duly signed with the page.
For Relight Construction and Supply Incorporated, bid prices in the bill quantities,
Yes, sir.
present, duly signed in every page.
Grace construction.
Base construction, bid prices and bill quantities present.
For the Santa Tigla Construction, bid prices in the bill of quantities is present and duly signed in every page.
Next, bids on estimates including a summary sheet.
For two-dimensional construction, bid estimate including as a summary sheet is present and duly signed with the page.
For Relight Construction and
monthly cash flow and payment schedule.
For two-dimension construction, quarterly, monthly, cash flow and payment schedule is present and due design.
For Reliant Construction and Supply Incorporated, cash flow quarter, payment schedule, present and due design.
For Bridge Construction Corporation, quarterly monthly cash flow present and due design.
For Vicente P. Blau Construction, quarterly or monthly cash flow and payment schedule is present and due design.
Overall rating for the financial proposal.
For two-dimension, financial proposal to pass.
For Reliant Construction and Supply Incorporated, financial proposal passed.
For Bridge Construction Corporation, financial proposal passed.
For Vicente P. Blau Construction, financial proposal passed.
Bid amount.
For two-dimension construction, bid amount is 96,470,721 pesos and 70 centavos. 96,407,721.17.
407
Oh.
407 mo. Lota? Lota?
9.
Oo.
96,470,721 pesos and 70 centavos.
Nag-interchange talaga ng 407.
Hari lang ko kanyan.
Okay, for Reliant Construction and Supply Incorporated, bid amount is 96,474,489 pesos and 28 centavos. 96,474,489.28.
For Bridge Construction Corporation, bid amount 96,465,383 pesos and 63 centavos. 96,465,383.63.
For Vicente P. Blau Construction, bid amount is 96,144,396 pesos and 17 centavos. Again, 96,444,396.17.
Okay, we have now the report of the bids for company number 24.00984. And we have PP Blau Construction as the lowest bidder with a bid amount of 96,444,396.76 pounds. Still, this subject to requirements of the regulation. But it will be okay. Let us now proceed to the opening of bids for procurement bids that we are currently for +055. So for we are now working for the 055, we have three participating suppliers. One is Jim Bradley for supplying equipment. Number two is we have Maintain Enterprises. And number three is office. Our two officers also get training. And let's now proceed to the opening of bids.
So, first, kasama ikaw. May post na statement. Oo. Since the documents has been checked, let's proceed with the terms and conditions. Number 6, omnibus warrant statement. For omnibus warrant statement for the goods PR number 2024-05-055 for R2 office supplies and equipment trading. Omnibus warrant statement present, unisigned, notarized with dry seal. The prices.
For hybrid multi enterprises, PR number 2024-05-005 with 05-62024. Omnibus warrant statement is present, unisigned, notarized with dry seal.
For the office supplies and equipment, PR number 2024-05-056-2024, omnibus warrant statement is present and will be signed, notarized with dry seal.
Next, original brochures showing certifications of the product if applicable. For R2 office supplies and equipment trading, we have here the supplier submitted the original brochure with the name of the product, logo, Idea Parts Slim 3i 15i AU7 15.6 inch FXD IPS 300 net score 1i7-1255U 16 GB RAM or 512 GB SSD.
For hardware marketing prices for the
Brochure submitted.
brochure submitted is
Intel Core.
Intel Core, reinventing multi-core architecture up to Intel Core i7-12650H processor.
For the Bladley office supplies and equipment brochure submitted is MSL Gaming Cyborg 15-inch A12BF 499 each.
Okay, let's proceed to bid amount. For R2 office supplies and equipment trading, bid amount is 543,500 pesos only. 543,500.00.
Puro ang inward yan, hindi mo tapat sa mga videos. Hindi na over 2,245.